Welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I've got here spice cake. It is moist and also very easy to make. Please continue watching how I made it. Ingredients for spice cake are baking powder, baking soda, salt, spices. You can buy store-bought allspices. They are just going to add a quarter teaspoon of ginger to it. But if you have all the spices at home, so you just use cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. And I got here a third cup of vegetable oil, vanilla, milk, flour, eggs, and brown sugar. In a bowl, I'm going to put in the vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil because I want a moist cake. So I just added the sugar. You could use melted butter. I'm going to cream everything. Add the 4 beaten eggs to the sugar and the oil. I'm going to give it a very good mix or whisk. I'm going to add these spices right now. I'm going to sieve the spices. I'm doing this at this stage because I want all the spices to be mixed very well. I just added 1 teaspoon of vanilla to it. I've already sieved the flour, so this is the baking powder, soda, and salt. Then give it a very good mix so everything becomes mixed together to the sugar mixture. So stir it again, and then I'm going to add flour, like half of the flour. Fold it in. Add half of the milk. Give it a good mix. Add the remaining half portion of flour, give it a good mix, and finally I'll mix in the milk. I'll grease the pan, line the bottom of the loaf pan and greased it as well, so I'll just pour it inside to bake in a preheated oven till it's done, medium heat. It is baked now and it has cooled down for some time. So here's what we got. I decided to frost it. If you like, you can leave it like that, but the frosting is so easy and it takes it to a whole new level. Thanks for watching.